my name is Janae. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, I'm so glad you are here. Today's video. So back in January, I posted a declutter with me of my closet using the KonMari method, and you guys seem to really like that type of video, which I totally understand why, because I love watching declutter, organizing, cleaning videos. They are my jam. So I posted that video back in January and it is almost June. And for me personally, I like to clean my closet out about every 6 months, sometimes more often depending on how crazy it's getting in there. But I just like to kind of consistently go through my clothes and shoes and all that type of stuff and make sure, am I wearing this? And if I'm not, it's gotta go. I've just really kind of been on this journey of minimalism, and I say that very lightly because I am nowhere near being a minimalist. I want to make moves to live a closer lifestyle to a minimalist. I don't want to put value on things, because what having a lot of things around me does, the only thing it does is stress me out. I really want to just focus on keeping the necessities. And if I'm not using it, if I'm not looking at it, if I'm not wearing it, why do I have it, you know? So without further ado, let's see what we can do today. Okay, so first order of business is my closet. I know I just decluttered it, but it's looking a mess right now. My main goal is I want to try on all of my shorts from last summer, and number one, make sure that they still fit, because your girl's been eating good this year, okay? So I want to make sure that they all fit, and I also want to make sure that I still like them, that I can see myself wearing them. I'm gonna kind of show you guys. So as you can see, it's not clean, you know, at all. There's a lot of stuff going on. A lot of my shorts are still up on that top rack, so I don't even know what's up there. A lot of my shorts are down here because I was trying to find an outfit the other day and this happened. We definitely need to do something because this is stressing me out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start trying on my shorts and we'll see what happens.
Whoa, yeah. My mama called, seen you on TV, son said this don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I wouldn't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the...
So I was sitting here and I was about to, you know, tell you guys that I tried on all my shorts. And then for some reason I was like, wait a minute. And I looked under my bed. So I have these storage bins under my bed, and for some reason I was just like, you know, let me just double check and make sure like I didn't miss a pair of shorts under there. Y'all, I'm so mad at myself. Look at this. So these are the storage bins under my bed. Do you see those shorts in there? What? I totally forgot about all of these shorts that were under my bed, and now I have to try these on. There's no way that I need this many shorts. Like, I wear Nike shorts most of the summer anyways. I don't know why this happens. I thought I was done trying on. Let me try these on really quick and then we'll see what I'm left with.
We changed, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
So I just tried on that remaining pile of shorts, and actually like 75% of them were too small, so I'm gonna be keeping those anyways. But to give you a little comparison, these are the shorts that I'm donating, getting rid of, selling, not really sure yet. And these are all the shorts that I'm keeping, which I feel pretty good about this amount.
Won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need a time and place to come through. Hey, time and place to come. Percocet, Molly Percocet.
Okay guys, so I just organized my shorts into 3 different piles. So we have all my colored / pattern shorts right here. We have all my denim shorts right here. And I have a lot of olive green shorts because that is my favorite color to wear. So I transferred all of my sweats and sweatpants up to the top. 2 little layers, except for these didn't really fit. So I'm just gonna put my shorts right here on this bottom level. Actually, I kind of think I want them to the side so I can see like the different layers and see what is where. Stick those in there. Boom. And now my colored and pattern shorts. Whoops. Okay, so that is what we're working with. Not too shabby. As far as the rest of my closet goes, so my shoe rack is a little overflowing right now, and I have like 3-4 shoe boxes over there of shoes that also aren't fitting on here. So on this top row, I have a lot of my like winter or fall boots. I'm going to transfer those to a different closet, so that way all of my summer shoes will be on my shoe rack, easy access. So I'm going to do that right now.
Percocet, Molly Percocet, a rep the set, gotta rep the set, chase a check, never chase her, that's what God feel like, yeah. Laughing to the bank like, yeah.
Okay, so I got all of my fall and winter kind of boots out of the way, and I put all my summer shoes. I have all my tennis shoes, which is pretty much like all that I ever wear. And then I also have down here, I have all of my shoes for work, like my work flats and loafers and stuff like that. So that's nice because, like I said, it'll be easy access for me this summer when I'm, you know, just trying to wake up and go. So I'm gonna put these boots away. Hopefully I have room for them. Wow, I look like a ghost. And then we'll figure out what I need to do next. Okay, so the next thing that I have decided to clean out a little bit is this bookshelf behind me. So the only thing that really needs cleaned out is the bottom shelf. So I'll just show y'all. I have some like decorations on the first 2 shelves, and then the last shelf I have books, and I also have like old keepsakes like memories and old journals I used to have. But honestly, I feel like it looks a little bit cluttered, and I don't use these things or read these things like I should. So I'm gonna go through here and see if there's any books I want to donate or any journals that I can get rid of, so maybe it doesn't look as cluttered down here.
You flex on swole like yeah. You feel some type of way, then something ain't right when we talking. Something ain't right when we talking. Look like you hiding your problems. Really, you never was solid. No, you can't sum me. You will never get to run me. Just when this look out of reach, I reach back like 1-3, like one. Raindrops, drop tops.
So I actually was able to get rid of a few things. So this is what the bookshelf looks like now. It definitely has more room. And then I have this cute little, what are these called? Willow tree love of learning statue. I just think it looks less cluttered. So what I got rid of, I took out all the books that I haven't read yet, and I'm gonna put them on my nightstand. I prefer to keep books that I haven't read yet in my nightstand because when I'm laying down about to go to bed, it's just easier to get them out when they're in my nightstand. I don't have to like get out of bed to come grab them from the bookshelf. This stuff is stuff that I actually want to put in my backpack for next year. And then this stuff, this is a book I already read, so I'm going to pass it on to my mom because she wanted to read it next. I highly, highly recommend this book. I actually had to read this for a class last semester, but it is so, so good. Very eye-opening. It just kind of gives you a new perspective. So I highly recommend Secret Daughter by June Cross. This is an old planner that I'm keeping for no reason. Probably because it has a picture of me and Jaden on it, but I don't need this. It's super thick. It takes up a lot of room. And then this is just a pile of paper that I can recycle. These are notes from classes from last semester that I don't need. So I actually feel really good about this. As you can see, I got rid of like a good chunk. I'm trying to think of what I can do next. Alright you guys, so after thinking about it, I honestly don't have that much more to declutter. My bathroom, I kind of looked at it. Pretty much I just have my necessities in there. My desk, I just decluttered recently. Let me show y'all really quickly what I accomplished today. So this pile of things is what we got rid of today. These are just like the empty shoe boxes my new shoes are in, all my shorts, and just that random hat. But I feel this is pretty good, you know, for like an hour of decluttering. I hope this inspired you. That's all that I want out of these videos, is to inspire other people to live a more minimal lifestyle. Like I said, I am far from being a true minimalist, but it is what I'm striving to be, and I am trying to model my lifestyle after minimalists. And I just really enjoy watching these types of videos, and I hope you guys did too. Please don't forget to leave me a comment, give me a like if you want. I love chatting with y'all, responding to comments. Also, go check out my other decluttering video that I did back in January. I will put it up on the screen somewhere so you can check that out. Let me know if you guys have any other video ideas you would like to see. I'm always open for new ideas, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
And they said I wouldn't be nothing, now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation.